Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Citadela WP WordPress theme for your WordPress website, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify's store for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So first open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will direct on the direct product page here. Okay, and this is a second way. Just search Bloggingify store and open our website, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about Citadela WP theme. So let me just type and click on this product. Okay, so here is the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress website, WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install our license on your website. License type, we have original license key, so that's why we don't share our licenses to anyone at any cost. So that's why we will prefer manually installation by our temporary login. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with your country code, and add your email address for billing information, and select your payment gateways and click on I have read and agree to the website terms and condition and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there, and send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin and theme on your website in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video.